In today's video, I'll show you how to export frames in Figma fast and without any confusion. First, open your Figma file and click on the frame you want to export. Make sure you select the full frame, not individual layers inside it. You'll know it's selected when the blue outline appears around the entire frame. Now look at the right-hand panel and scroll down until you see the Export section at the bottom. Here you can choose the file format. PNG is great for images, JPG works well for smaller file sizes, and SVG or PDF is perfect for vectors. If you need a higher quality export, click the Scale option and change it from 1x to 2x or 3x. This is useful for Retina displays or presentations. Once everything looks good, click the Export button. Figma will instantly download the frame to your computer. If you want to export multiple frames at once, just hold Shift, select all the frames you need, and then click Export. Figma will export them together automatically. And that's how you export frames in Figma fast. If this video helped you, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials.